Do you know many people are having trouble with reassembling their Dell OptiPlex 7050? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Align components. Ensure all components are secure and front bezel tabs are aligned with the chassis. Step 2. Fit bezel. Press the bezel firmly until it clicks into place for a secure fit. Step 3. Attach cover. Align the computer cover with the chassis grooves and slide it into position. Step 4. Secure screws. Fasten the screws at the back to secure the cover in place. Step 5. Reconnect setup. Reconnect external devices, cables, and the power supply to finalize setup. By following these steps, you should now be able to securely close your Dell OptiPlex 7050 case. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.